So today's Vlogmas day 12, and I've been up since like about 6 something, 6:30ish, something like that. But I ate my breakfast, and also had to do my hair, and then I washed it, and I was trying to do all that process of me showing you and all that type of stuff, you know. So I just want to get it done with because I have a long weekend for this week coming up, and then the week after that, you know, of course, it'll be Christmas. So as you can see, I have a lot to get done, and I don't have the time right now, especially to try and show you me washing my hair and all that process that I have to get done like ASAP, like now. So. But yesterday for day 11, I actually went out and got some stuff, and so I will probably, and I'm going to do some clips of me out and about and all type of stuff. And I also have I show like a picture of my outfit or what I was wearing. And I really didn't do much. Basically, it was like I would say an in and out day. So get stuff done. You did get done for Christmas, last minute presents, gifts I need to get, and items basically for that, and other stuff I decided to get. And I want those at Five Below as well for Vlogmas day 12. And for that, it was just basically for Five and Below. I want to get some items, so I will do like a little bit haul later on within this video what I got yesterday for Vlogmas day 11. So yeah, you'll see y'all. So like I said, yeah, I'm going to insert some stuff that I got and all that, anything that was due about Vlogmas day 11 will be later on within this video showing you all that. So, and the rest of the day I'm just going to be cleaning, getting stuff done. So basically the rest of this video you'll just be seeing Vlogmas basically day 11 merged within Vlogmas day 12, which is today. So catch you guys basically the next Vlogmas, and I'm excited because it's literally getting closer and closer to Christmas. So let's get into more of the festive season, and like I said, catch you on the Vlogmas day 13, which is tomorrow. Love you guys.